Onk!
With the release of her new collection, as ever, Meghan Markle has received some justifiable criticism that calls into question. Psych! She's thriving, Margaret Hartman of New York. Do you recall all of the criticism that Meghan received during that beekeeping segment on her show? People were saying that it was fake and performative. Well, perhaps we can contact Brandon the beekeeper to get his views on how fake honey sold out within an hour of its release. She is doing the damn thing. It sold out within an hour of its release. I believe that all of the negative commentary and coverage that she received was just marketing and promotion. So thank you for all of your hard work. She's thriving. Margaret, hateful white lady Hartman, senior editor at New York. Thank you for all of your hard work. And these two submissions are just chef's kiss. Now shush and go away while we all enjoy this soft fairy tale life that you will never, ever, 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 ever experience.